In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel and tour booking website using WordPress. Whether you're starting a business in the travel industry or just exploring web design, this tutorial will walk you through every step necessary to set up a functional professional website in 2025. The very first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a hosting provider. Popular choices include WP Engine and Hostinger. These services often offer one-click WordPress installations, making the setup process easier for you. Once you have your hosting provider, you can install WordPress. This is often done automatically, but if not, there's usually a straightforward option to do it manually in your hosting dashboard. With WordPress installed, you now have the backbone of your website ready. To add the essential travel booking functionalities, navigate to the WordPress dashboard, select Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type WP Travel Engine, and once you find it, click Install Now, and then Activate. This plugin will turn your website into a dynamic travel booking system. Next, you'll want to choose a travel theme design. Go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, select Themes, and click Add New. In the search bar, you can type Travel or Tour Booking to find a theme that fits your brand. Once you have chosen a theme, click Install and then activate it to apply the design to your site. With the foundation laid, let's move on to creating your first trip. In the WP Travel Engine menu, click on Trips and then Add New. Enter the trip title, price, duration, detailed itinerary, and images. These details will entice your website visitors, so make sure they're engaging and informative. Once everything looks good, hit Publish to make your trip live on your site. Now, let's set up booking and payments. In the WP Travel Engine, navigate to Settings, then Payment. Here you can enable online booking by integrating payment gateways such as PayPal or Stripe. These options allow your customers to book trips directly on your site. To enhance the user experience, it's beneficial to add a booking search bar to your homepage. Edit your homepage and incorporate the shortcode WP Travel Engine Search into a section where it's easily visible. After placing the shortcode, click Update to save your changes. You should now create menu pages to organize site navigation. Go to Appearance, then Menus. Add essential pages like Home, Trips, About, and Contact to help users find information quickly. Once you've organized your menu structure, save it to finalize the setup. Lastly, always test your website. Visit your homepage and try searching and booking a trip. Testing ensures everything works smoothly and gives you an opportunity to troubleshoot any issues before your site goes live. By following these steps, you can proudly launch your travel and tour booking website with confidence.